Hi everyone, welcome to In My Bubble. This is my first video, so let me introduce myself. I am Hana, I am from France. I am about to finish college and I currently work as a digital designer. I create visual content like social media visuals, prints, video editing, and motion design. For the last couple of years, I discovered that creativity is absolutely my thing and I cannot escape it. Having an idea and giving life to it brings me a lot of fulfillment. I also really love learning. I already know it from school, but since I started learning new skills by myself from YouTube and online courses, I understood that I will be a lifelong student. The new skill that I'm learning right now is filming, and I struggle very hard with that one. I'm not gonna lie, between the angles, the lighting, the sound, there's a lot to think about, but it is very interesting. I spend most of my time alone with my thoughts and reflections, and I've always felt at peace doing that. But at the same time, I would say that I am a very positive and easygoing person. I love to talk with people and getting to know them on a deeper level, much more than talking about myself. Why making a video talking about myself? Anyway, my channel will be a nice mix of my love for creativity and my introverted personality. I will share content about my recent life lessons, inspirations, as well as anything related to how to create a more balanced, simple, and fulfilling life. Lifestyle design, as I like to call it. A few of my hobbies ever since I was little, I've loved mangas. I often borrow some books from the library. And finally, my favorite outside activity is to go out with a small group of friends, visiting a place or going to the movies, and above all, eating out. Well, that's it for me. If you enjoyed the video and would like to follow my future content, you can hit the subscribe button and like this video. I am trying to post a video every 1 or 2 weeks. You can also follow me on Instagram. I leave the link in the description. Have a good day or evening and hope to see you soon. Bye!